Hi, kindergartners. It's Mrs. Thomas Moore, and we're back for our Math Meets Literacy. Are you ready? So, before we get started, as we always do, we're going to do some math and movement. Are you ready? So, today we're going to do skip counting. We're going to skip count by 5, and the way we're going to do it is we're going to punch it out. Are you ready? So what you got to do is you got to punch with your right hand, count 5. Punch with your left hand, count 10. And we're going to keep doing that. So we're going to go like 5, 10, 15, 20. But we're going to go all the way to 50. Are you ready? We're going to celebrate at the end. So here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. We made it! Celebrate! Awesome job, everybody. Awesome job. Now, we're going to talk about what materials we're going to need for today. And today, you're going to need paper, pencil. You're going to need some crayons and colored pencils or markers, whatever you have at home that you can use. And that's right, our listening ears, because it's Math Meets Literacy Day, so we're reading. So we're going to have our reading incorporated with our math today. So let's look at our learning goal. What are we going to get out of our reading today? We're going to be investigating fractions and practical problems showing fair share. What is fair share? Remember, fair share means equal sharing with two sharers or two people, or you're using something that you're sharing with one other person. So, are we ready to start our story? Let's see. Give me half. That's right. Give me half. And this story is written by Stuart J. Murphy. And we've read other stories by Stuart J. Murphy, and we love his work. So let's look at it. Stuart J. Murphy. We said it's written by him. So he's the what? Author. That's right. He's the author. That means he wrote the words. But on our cover page here, it says illustrated by G. Brian Karras. Illustrator. What does the illustrator do? Draws the pictures. Exactly. Draws the pictures. So let's look at our book here. I just said this is the front cover of the book. What is this? The back cover of the book. This is the spine of the book. So when we first open our book, what is the first thing we see in our book? Title page. That's right. We see the title page. So are you ready? You have your listening ears on? Let's get ready to read. Give me half. I have one whole pizza, and it's all for me. I'm going to eat some pizza. Just you wait and see. I heard some rhyming words in there too. A whole pizza. Remember that word, whole, for whole pizza. I know you want some pizza, sis. You only get one slice. You better give me more than that. Why can't you be nice? Remember we said fair share? If he only gives her one slice, is that fair share? We're going to need to take a look. Uh-oh. You have to share the pizza. It must be split in two. The pieces should be cut the same for each of you. So who is that talking? Yeah, I think it's Mom. She's telling them they have to do a fair share. 1/2 pizza and 1/2 pizza make one whole pizza. Okay, did you see that? That's fair share. 1/2 and 1/2 is one whole. So if I'm sharing my pizza with one other person, what am I giving them if I do a fair share with them? 1/2. Yes, 1/2. What is that behind her back? The last can of juice, I think. If he takes some juice from me, I won't have much to drink. Do you think she's going to fair share? I gave you half of mine, so you must share yours too. I'll give you just a sip, but not until I'm through. Is a sip a fair share of her can of juice? Nope, I don't think so. Split the juice in half. Fair share, half. Again, you have to share. And when you pour it out, make sure that you pour fair. So mom is telling them they have to do what? Fair share it. That's right. 1/2 can of juice and 1/2 can of juice make 1 whole can of juice. So 1/2 can of juice and 1/2 can of juice make a whole. There we are with those words again. Half and half make a whole. So 2 parts make a whole. I know she has some cupcakes. I saw her with a pack. I'm going to hide my cupcakes and save them for a snack. Did you hear those rhyming words again? Yeah. So this time she has cupcakes and she has a pack of them, but she's not trying to share. Do you think she should share? I think she should too. Hey, what's that on your chair? You better give me some. I'm going to eat them both myself and leave you just a crumb. Oh, she's not trying to fair share, is she? But she should fair share, right? If she fair shares, how much will it be? 1/2 of it. Your cupcakes must be shared. And do I need repeat? You both get half the pack. And don't you dare cheat. Mom's fussing at them again about fair sharing. 1 cupcake and 1 cupcake make a pack of 2 cupcakes. So 1 and 1 make 2. So 1 is half of the 2. That's fair sharing. I have a stack of cookies and you get just 1 bite. You better give me half that stack or else I'll start a fight. What kind of fight do you think she's going to try to start? Did you say a food fight? Hey, wait. Too late. What do you think she's doing? It's a food fight. Food is everywhere. I hope you're not having food fights at home. That would not be good. There are cookies on the floor. There's pizza everywhere. There's juice spilled on the table and sticky stuff under my chair. I don't know if Mom's going to be happy about that. We're going to be in trouble. We've made a great big mess. But I have made no more than you, and you have made no less. So did they fair share the mess also? Yes. We'd better each clean half. There's so much work to do. We'll be done in half the time. Guess what? If Buddy helps us too. Who's Buddy? Their puppy. So they're looking for Buddy to help them clean up their mess. Oh, I love that story of fair sharing. Our story showed us how we can fair share because in the story, they fair shared what things did they fair share? They fair share their pizza because they cut it in half. What else did they fair share? Oh, did someone say they fair shared their juice? That's right. They fair shared the can of juice. What else did they fair share? A pack of cupcakes. And that one was a little different because it was 2 parts that they shared. So they each got 1. They each got half of it, but the fair share was each of them getting 1 cupcake because the pack or the whole was 2 cupcakes. Awesome job. So today I'm going to want you to share with me your way of fair sharing. So because the story had a pizza in it, we're going to talk about a pizza. But you could do a cookie if you wanted to. So I'm going to share with you what I did, and then I want you to share with me. So what I did first was I decided that my favorite pizza was pepperoni and bacon. So I drew my pepperoni and bacon pizza with my pencil first. So you see my pepperoni and all my bacon on my pizza. So after I drew it with my pencil, then I took my colored pencils and I colored my pizza. So when I finished coloring it, this is what it looks like. So this is my pizza with my bacon and pepperoni on it. That's my favorite pizza. Now, how would I fair share it? That means I'm going to equally share it with one other person. So it's going to be two sharers. That's me and the person that I'm sharing it with. So I'm going to say I'm going to share it with my daughter. Okay? So if I'm going to fair share it with her, that means I have to cut it in half. And it has to be equal. That's right. Both parts have to be equal in order for me to fair share it. So I'm going to draw a line on my pizza right now, and then I'm going to show it to you so that you can see what my fair share looks like. So I'm going to draw a line to show my fair share of my pizza. So when I draw my line, now you can see how I would fair share my pizza. I gave half to me and half to my daughter. I want you to be able to share your drawings with me, so you can go to Flipgrid and you can use the logo that we have out there, and you can go ahead and share your drawings with me. So if you use the link, that flipgrid.com, or you can use the QR code and share your work with me. I can't wait to see your pizzas or your cookies so that I know what your favorite is and how you would fair share it. It was great seeing you all. Keep learning, keep doing your math, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.